Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to study a part of biology known as allantois. We are going to study this important part of biology with questions and answers for a better understanding. The first question we have here says, the extra embryonic membrane found between the amnion and the chorion is called dash. A. Allantois. B. Hormone. C. Enzyme. D. Synovium. In this question, the correct answer is A. Allantois. Allantois is a membrane that is found between the amnion and the chorion, and this allantois is one of the extra embryonic membranes that help in the development of embryo. The next question says, which of the following helps in the formation of umbilical cord? A. Hair. B. Allantois. C. Synovial membrane. D. Synovial fluid. In this question, the correct answer is B. Allantois. This allantois helps in the formation of umbilical cord. Studies have also shown that this membrane also contributes in forming the placenta apart from umbilical cord. The next question says, in a woman, the development of allantois occurs dash pregnancy. A. Before pregnancy. B. During pregnancy. C. After pregnancy. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. During pregnancy. This membrane called allantois develops during the period of pregnancy in a woman. The next question says, allantois is a dash membrane in a woman. A. Temporal membrane. B. Permanent membrane. C. Harmful membrane. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Temporal membrane. This allantois is a temporal membrane in a woman because it develops during the period of pregnancy. But when a woman gives birth or after pregnancy, the role played by allantois will stop in that woman. So this allantois is a temporal membrane that plays a role in embryonic development. The next question says, the chorioallantoic placenta is formed from the chorion and dash. A. Allantois. B. Bone. C. Teeth. D. Ear. In this question, the correct answer is A. Allantois. Allantois is a membrane that plays a role in forming the placenta, and there is a type of placenta called chorioallantoic placenta. This chorioallantoic placenta is formed from chorion and this important membrane called allantois. The next question says, allantois is found in dash. A. Woman. B. Goats. C. Sheep. D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D. All of the above. Studies have shown that this allantois is found in organisms that possess placenta. So examples of mammals include human, goat, sheep, and other mammals. So this allantois is found in many mammalian organisms. The next question says, in a woman, the portion of allantois that connects the bladder of the fetus to the umbilical cord is called dash. A. Urachus. B. Joints. C. Synovium. D. Synovial fluid. In this question, the correct answer is A. Urachus. This urachus is the part of allantois that connects the bladder of the fetus to the umbilical cord, and it plays a role in ensuring that the fetus develop very well. The next question says, the process whereby the urachus closes off completely during the development of the fetus is called dash. A. Obliteration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Adrenaline. D. Oxytocin. In this question, the correct answer is A. Obliteration. Obliteration is a process whereby the urachus closes off during the development of the fetus. So when this urachus doesn't close up, there are things that will occur, and when it closes up, there are things that will also occur. So that process whereby the urachus closes off completely during the development of the fetus is best described as obliteration. The next question says, the presence of urachus during fetal development enhances the drainage of dash from the fetus. A. Urine. B. Enzyme. C. Protein. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Urine. So this urachus plays a great role in embryonic development. The presence of urachus during fetal development enhances the drainage of urine from the fetus. It ensures that the urine is removed from the fetus. The next question says, a condition whereby the urachus doesn't close very well is called dash. A. Patent urachus. B. Diagnosis. C. Treatment. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Patent urachus. Patent urachus is a situation whereby the urachus doesn't close very well. This usually occur during this condition occurs at birth. It can also occur after birth. So when the urachus fail to close, there are things that will occur in that particular baby or fetus. The next question says, the common symptom of patent urachus is dash. A. Malaria. B. Urine leakage from the navel. C. High growths. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. Urine leakage from the navel. This urine leakage from the navel is the major symptom or the common symptom of patent urachus. The next question says, median umbilical ligament is a product of dash. A. Obliteration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Chlorophyll metabolism. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Obliteration. When obliteration occurs, there will be formation of a structure known as median umbilical ligaments. So this median umbilical ligament is the product of obliteration. The next question says, infection reduces the roles played by allantois in embryonic development. A. True. B. False. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. True. So, when the allantois is affected by infection, the infection will reduce the roles played by allantois in enhancing embryonic development. The next question says, which of the following affects the allantois during embryonic development? A. Drug abuse. B. Disease. C. Toxins. D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D. All of the above. There are many factors that can affect allantois during embryonic development. These factors include drug abuse. When an individual abuses drug or uses drug wrongly, these drugs can break down in the system and have negative effects on the allantois. Studies have shown that disease condition can also affect allantois. When allantois is affected by disease, the disease will affect the ability of the allantois to function very effectively. The next factor that can affect allantois during embryonic development is toxins. Toxins mean poisons. So when there are toxins in the allantois, these toxins will damage the allantois, and when the allantois is damaged, it will not be able to do its job again. So it will not enhance embryonic development very well again. All these things are various factors that affect this important membrane called allantois during embryonic development. The next question says, the secretion of the allantois is called dash. A. Allantoic fluid. B. Synovial fluid. C. Cerebrospinal fluid. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Allantoic fluid. Allantoic fluid is the secretion of this extra embryonic membrane known as allantois. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you will study other topics that we have treated in many of our videos. You can also make your comments in this video.